In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. As you can see, I'm on WhatsApp right now. So you're going to want to go to chats and then press on this plus icon right here. Then once you're on this plus icon, go to new contact, press okay. And you're going to make sure the phone is United States. And then what you're going to type in as the number, you're going to type in 800 242, and then you're gonna type in 8478. This is ChatGPT's number, okay? So you could just type in ChatGPT, press done, boom. As you can see, it's ChatGPT, and look, I could just have conversations with ChatGPT. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.